Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Oh man, another commercial and on another day. So what I've got here is it's not firing up. So all I got is 530. I've tried resetting it, it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm gonna have to sort this one out and see what's the matter with it. Don't worry about the pressure, it's a tank system, so gravity fed. So we're gonna have to sort this one out, yeah. So what was happening to this one, it would fire up and then go off. So it was like lack of oxygen to keep the burner alight. It would then give a code of 08. Now according to manufacturer's instructions, air pressure switch didn't close. So I'm going to also clean the combustion chamber and check the burner out, just in case. So guys, what's happening to this one, right? There's it fires up, then it locks out, fires up and goes off. So I'm presuming there's an issue with the air pressure switch, which is over there, just behind the gas valve, or the combustion chamber, the heat exchanger is clogged up. So we've opened that up, right? I'm going to take that out and we're going to sort that out. Right. Now, I mean, you can have some like that. Can you put this there? I mean, it's still screwed.
What? Oh.
No, no. Like, put it. Makes sense.
You recording?
Yeah, just kind of recording. So we got is there. Oh, let's have a look at that. That looks okay. Right. Oh, I thought this is a torch. Do. That's enough. See how it looks. How does it look, bro? Yeah, it doesn't look that bad, does it? Does it?
Yeah.
So we clean this out, we're gonna wash this out, and if it still gives us problems, we're gonna do, So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour some water through the heat exchanger and hopefully clean that out, and it's all gonna drain out from underneath the. Come on, talk to me. What are we gonna do?
We still got to change that air pressure switch.
Yeah, this still does that. Right, so we're just gonna open the bottom up. Let me just put this in. Is there any water here? Try to drink it. Okay, we're gonna do that. So we clean the inside of that out. I'll put the burner in. There. That's in. Where's the gas key? Where's I put the gas key?
Yeah, somewhere there it is.
Oh. So just put the gas key back on. Which way does the gas key go?
Switches. Straightforward, mate.
There. This one. I don't think it's worked well. And that's basically it, folks. Come here, see. That's it, we got it going, yeah. Me and Amin got it done again. Sorted it, yeah? You happy with that?
100%.
Amin, how do you feel repairing that boiler?
Brilliant.
Done a good job, huh?
100%.
Look at us sweating, man. Oh. Right, what we had to do, right, on this one, we had to take this part out, clean the combustion chamber inside, which I don't know if you made a film on. We had to clean all that out, and then we realized the air pressure switch, which we're going to clip in a bit, we had to change that. We had a spare one inside the car. You can see that there? There's air pressure. So we had to change that because that was in an open position. Alright, we changed that and we got it going. There's the air pressure switch on that, yeah. But now it's all fired up and it's working fine. So this one had a air circulation issues on it. We cleaned out the combustion chamber on it. inside it, took all the part out, washed it out with water. We also changed the air pressure switch on it. It's all working fine now. Okay, so if your boiler is broken down, domestic or commercial in Birmingham, give us a call. We repair it for you. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Birmingham Boiler Fix.